Okay guys, we're gonna be working more today in here. We've got to take out that cabinet over there because it's on the floor and we have to get to the floor. So we got to take it out. That's what we're doing today. Maybe more. We don't know. What? Okay. There's stucco on the carpet. Why? Because they stuccoed over the carpet. They stuccoed the carpet. Quite thoroughly, actually. case you guys are wondering, the carpet is underneath the stucco. As in, they left the carpet there when they did the stucco. Well, they covered at least plaster. Let me move the building so I can get the carpet out. Well, my helper left, so I guess it's just me now. And I'm guessing that this was done back in 1974 when they remodeled. Hold on a second. Okay, now that I can see what I'm doing. But, let's see if I can get this. They stuccoed right over the carpet. They put the plywood down, and they put the carpet down, and then they put their stucco, their plaster, whatever you want to call it. The concrete that is now covering part of the, and I say it's concrete because this one, whoops, this mixture has little rocks in it. It's not just sand, like you would see in normal masonry mix. See if I can get this here. See if I can get it to focus. Might have to back that out a bit. It has little rocks in it. So that's not the normal mason mix, I don't think. So I guess now I have a choice of continuing to work on the floor, finding something else to do for 2 hours. I have somebody picking up those last 2 pews, I hope. And I've been trying to get rid of them, and they just don't want to go away. most of these boards are in fact nailed down, but the nails have rusted away. So that's why I'm able to slide a lot of these out without any problem, is because the nails are toast. Guys, don't assume just because the wood's inside a building that it's going to be fine. This was obviously not pressure treated lumber. This was probably just regular old wood, and they put it in there to, fill some kind of gap. My best guess is that this chimney here, water came down and maybe damaged right there. So they fixed it, and I'm assuming that was back in 1974. But I'm not even sure how available pressure treated lumber was back then, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm assuming it was available. But anyways, if you're going to be redoing a floor, especially on a ground level like this where it might get wet or there's a possibility that it could get a bug infestation, pressure treated lumber. Okay guys, I'm going to turn you a different direction so the light's not quite so blinding. Is that better? I think that's better. Okay, I have a lady coming. Hopefully she's going to be picking up these last two pews and I can get them out of my hair. My hair is lovely. Look at this. Isn't it lovely? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pack up though, because after she's here and gone, whether she buys them or not, I want to go ahead and head home because it's actually a little bit later than I normally like to leave. So, still a lot to do on this floor, and I've got to get this furnace out of here too. So, I think I'm going to have to disassemble that and just take it out in pieces. We'll see. I might try to do that tomorrow, I don't know yet. The fireplace, I don't know what to do with that fireplace. I really actually want to remove it completely. And I want to remove the chimney, and I want to remove the flute coming down, flute shaft, I don't know which, chimney shaft, I guess you call it. I'd actually like to just go ahead and take the whole thing out, because I really, the thing is that that's like right in the middle of the room, and I need to split the room in half, so I don't really want a fireplace on each half of the room. That would be, or half of it in one apartment, half of it in the other. That would be really weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna get packed up, and hopefully this lady gets here soon. Oh, I had put up a question and I don't think anybody answered it. It was up in one of the little cards. I think it was on the previous video, but I was thinking about doing a live stream. However, I was probably going to be working on the 3D model the computer-generated 3D model of this building based on the plans that we have from the architect. So I don't know if anybody would be interested in watching that and chatting while I'm doing that, or let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, and then I can schedule a time to do a live stream. Anyway, I've talked enough. We will see you guys tomorrow. All right, have a good one.